Good morning. We are coming to you live from the Newsfirst studios here in Colombo with an important update with regard to the weather situation in the country. Now, several areas in and around Colombo experienced significant disruptions last night due to strong winds accompanied by heavy rainfall, resulting in widespread tree falls and property damage. According to police reports, incidents of fallen trees were recorded in several locations, including Leslie Vanagalamawata in Buwalla, Grand Pass, Bambalapitia, Dematogoda, Mardana, Jawata, and Uwalawata. Now, fire service and emergency response teams have been deployed to clear the debris from those areas to make easy access to those roads once again. Now, at the same time, the Ceylon Electricity Board has noticed and informed that the supply of electricity to several areas were hampered following the strong winds and heavy rainfall experienced across many areas, and efforts are also underway to restore the supply of electricity. Sri Lanka Railways has also said that there will be delays in train operations today, as reports of trees falling onto the tracks have been reported from several locations following the heavy rainfall and strong winds that were experienced in the past 24 hours.